Ever wondered how resourceful you can get when your car just won't start? Well, this story is a real eye-opener. A UPS driver in New York had a unique solution to his car troubles, and it sparked quite the discussion. Picture this: he's holding up an iPhone charger, ready to demonstrate his unconventional method. Now, what's fascinating here is not just the hack itself, but the underlying automotive knowledge it reveals. So, the driver, at Silverwithak, is dealing with a car that won't start. He identifies the issue as a problem with the starter solenoid, which is like the gatekeeper of power from the battery to the starter motor. Normally, turning the key or pressing the start button triggers this process, but in his case, something's blocking the signal. Here's where it gets creative. By touching the metal tip of his iPhone charger to the solenoid terminals, he manually bridges the electrical connection, sending power directly to the starter. Genius, right? It's like a temporary workaround to get the engine cranking. Now, some might think this is a bizarre, one-off solution. But it actually ties into a broader concept. When a starter goes bad, it can exhibit various symptoms like clicking or grinding noises, or even smoke in severe cases. A bad starter doesn't necessarily mean the car is doomed, though. It's often a fixable issue, with replacement costs ranging from $80 to $350 for the starter itself. However, what at Silverwithak's hack highlights is the ingenuity of everyday people. It's a reminder that sometimes, simple solutions can be right in front of us, using everyday items like an iPhone charger. This raises a question: how many other unconventional fixes are out there, waiting to be discovered? It's a testament to human creativity and our ability to adapt when faced with everyday challenges. So, the next time you encounter a car problem, remember this story and think outside the box. Who knows what creative solutions you might uncover?